Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you our freebie for our Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you our freebie for our subscribers for this week. I finally had to just break down and get a new scanner. My other scanner had just absolutely quit on me, but of course I have used it to death. So I got a new scanner, and we went ahead and made your freebie for you. Now, let's see. Let me start with this page. Mine printed on both sides because I accidentally had it set for both sides, but yours won't. Not unless you choose that. This is the pocket, the library pocket that I had made last week. And I had told you that I would get this up just as soon as I possibly could. So this is that library pocket. And let me see. What did I do with mine? Let me grab it right quick. Okay, so this is it right there, the library pocket, and then the tag that fits in, and then this is the small one. So there's the library pocket large, there's the tag for the large one, here is the small one right here, and then there's the tag for the small one. So this is the small one. You can see, it's cute. And then I did go ahead and include you this, and this is a little coin envelope. And let's see if I got one. I got one right here. So let's go ahead and, I can't find anything today for some reason. And I didn't even clean up. Usually when I clean up, I can't find anything, but I didn't clean up. So I'm just gonna score that. It scores on all four of these little places out here. Score that. All the little places that poke out, score on all of those. Right at the corner where it comes together there. So there's that. And then all you need to do from there is just put that in, put that side in. This little bottom goes up, and then there is the little top. So it's a little coin envelope. Like I said, I think I may have given you this before, I'm not sure, but if I haven't, there you go. There it is. Alright, so that is that. And then I did go ahead and make you just another tag of a different size. So that is that. Then on here, I went ahead and did a file folder for you. This is a smaller file folder than the normal ones. This one is 4 inches, so it's 8 inches long, but if you fold it, it's 4 inches by about 5 3/4. So that's the size of that one. That's a good size to go in your mini albums and your journals. So it's a real good size to sew it in the signature in the middle. Very good size. And then we went ahead and put a few little goodies here for you. Some little toadstools, and then little forest animals, since it's getting close to the winter or the fall months. And we just made them in 2 different sizes, large and small, so that you can include them on your little pockets if you want to. So that is the freebie. We also have a new printable this week. This one we're just going to call Forest Animals. I know there's flowers and things in here, but to me these are most of the things that you'd find out in the forest. Now, as bad as it hurt me to do so, I included owls, as you can see. I had so many people when I covered that owl up the other day on that little pocket that said, "Oh, that owl was so pretty, you shouldn't have covered it up." Like I said, I'm not a fan of owls, but I will definitely put them in there for those of you who love them. My daughter loves them too. Melina loves them. So anyway, it has owls. It has toadstools or mushrooms, butterflies, flowers. All of this is fussy cut. So you can, it doesn't have a background, so you can fussy cut it out or just cut out around it. Do whatever you want to do with it. Some of the butterflies I have put in different sizes. That way you won't have to worry about shrinking them down or doing whatever, because you've got some different sizes there. Just kind of filling up the page so that you wouldn't have any wasted space. We have some birds, flowers. These are mostly kind of like a fall flower. And then more of the owls. And then here are the toadstools and the little creatures. And then more pretty flowers, mostly in blues and burgundies and that type thing, purples. So to me, that's more of kind of like a fall, yellows and oranges. But these, it's 3 sheets of fussy cut, and they will be over on our blog. That link will be directly below. It will just say Forest Animals printable, something like that. So you can go over there and print that out if you would like. And we will be working with some of these very, very soon. I'm working on some things right now, and I need to do some fussy cutting on these, and we will be getting these ready soon. Now, if anybody out there purchases these and has a Brother Scan and Cut, let me know if it cuts these okay. I'm still kind of in the market of purchasing one, but I hate to put that kind of money into something that's not going to really help me out. I just can't do a lot of fussy cutting with my arthritis like it is. So if you have a Brother Scan and Cut and you purchase these and use them in there, let me know if it cuts them out okay. And if anybody out there has a Brother Scan and Cut and you want to get rid of it, I am in the market. All right, we will talk to you guys later.